Hello there, I'm Ira, representing Sonura Essentials. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the world of peppermint essential oil, specifically focusing on its benefits in aromatherapy. Get ready for an in-depth exploration where I'll provide you with a wealth of information, including insightful tabular data, to ensure you gain a thorough understanding of this essential oil's profile. Feel free to take your time to absorb all the micro-level details. If needed, don't hesitate to pause the video at any point. Let's embark on this journey together. So, let's begin with the general health benefits of peppermint essential oil first. Peppermint is truly a versatile powerhouse when it comes to our health. If you need some digestive support, peppermint's got your back. It's known to reduce gas, bloating, and soothe an upset stomach, making it a reliable go-to for digestive woes. But that's not all. This amazing herb can also provide relief from headaches and stress. Are you feeling drained during long work hours or a road trip? Peppermint can help, acting as a natural stimulant that keeps you alert and focused. It's like a refreshing pick-me-up in a bottle. And if you find yourself battling a fever or dealing with minor injuries like a smashed finger, peppermint comes to the rescue with its cooling and pain-relieving properties. Beyond that, peppermint has shown promise in easing the symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and even possesses antimicrobial properties to fight off bacteria and fungi. With all these incredible benefits, it's no wonder peppermint has become a popular natural remedy. Now, let's dive into the incredible therapeutic benefits of peppermint oil. First off, it's a fantastic pain reliever and reduces inflammation in the body. So, if you're dealing with aches and pains, peppermint's got your back. When it comes to digestion, peppermint is a lifesaver. It helps with digestion, brings balance to your digestive system, and even boosts bile production. Plus, if you're struggling with a foggy mind or a headache, peppermint can come to the rescue. It acts as a mental stimulant, clearing your mind and providing relief from those annoying headaches. And get this, peppermint has some serious immune support too. It's got antiviral properties, giving your immune system a helping hand in fighting off or destroying viruses. When you need to relax and unwind, peppermint steps in as a calming force. It soothes and strengthens your nervous system, promoting a sense of relaxation and tranquility. And last but not least, peppermint lends a helping hand in respiratory issues. It works as a decongestant, reducing nasal mucus, and helping to clear out mucus from your chest and lungs. Peppermint truly covers all the bases when it comes to your health and well-being. Now, let's explore some practical ways to incorporate peppermint essential oil into your daily routine and enjoy its fantastic benefits. If you're looking to enjoy the aromatic benefits, diffusing the oil is a great option. Simply add 10 to 12 drops of peppermint oil to your diffuser and let it run for 15-minute intervals for 3 to 4 times a day. This will create a pleasant and soothing atmosphere in your space. For those who prefer topical application, peppermint oil can be mixed with a cream base or lotion. Just add 2 to 4 drops of the oil to 1 tablespoon of the base, mix well, and gently massage it onto the desired area. This allows you to experience the benefits of peppermint oil directly on your skin. However, it's important to consult with a medical professional or aromatherapist before using peppermint oil for therapeutic purposes. They can provide personalized guidance and advice tailored to your specific needs, ensuring a safe and effective experience. Now, let's explore some fascinating details about peppermint oil. Its botanical name is Mentha piperita, and there's another popular variety known as Mentha arvensis. It thrives in various regions, including the Asian subcontinent, as well as countries like India, France, USA, and Australia. If talk about its aroma profile, peppermint oil offers a fresh, minty, and herbaceous scent that creates a truly invigorating sensory experience. Just a whiff of it can instantly uplift your mood. When it comes to extraction, peppermint oil is obtained from the leaves using steam distillation. In terms of its note or evaporation rate, peppermint oil falls into the middle top category. This means it strikes a perfect balance between providing a quick burst of fragrance and maintaining a lasting presence, allowing you to enjoy its aroma for longer. Now, let's explore the main chemical constituents of peppermint oil. It contains levomenthol, which makes up around 30 to 42% of the oil, and menthone, which accounts for about 20 to 30%. Additionally, you'll find menthofuran present in smaller amounts, typically ranging from 3% to 5%. From a botanical perspective, peppermint oil belongs to the Lamiaceae family, which includes other well-known herbs and plants. Understanding these technical details about peppermint oil helps us appreciate it better, and also sheds light on the science behind its captivating aroma and potential benefits. Lastly, let's discuss the compatibility of peppermint oil with other oils, proper storage methods, and important safety considerations. When it comes to blending peppermint oil with other essential oils in aromatherapy, it pairs well with quite a few. You can mix it with oils like eucalyptus, German chamomile, juniper berry, lavender, lemon, mandarin, marjoram, melissa, and niauli. These combinations create interesting and harmonious aromatic experiences. Now, let's talk about storing peppermint oil properly. To maintain its freshness and extend its shelf life, it's best to transfer the oil from metal containers, often used for safe shipping, into dark glass containers for storage. This simple step helps protect the oil from light and heat, preserving its potency and aromatic qualities over time. When using peppermint oil, it's important to keep safety considerations in mind. While peppermint oil is generally non-toxic, it may cause dermal irritation in individuals with sensitive skin. It's always recommended to perform a patch test before widespread use to ensure compatibility with your skin. It's also not recommended to use undiluted peppermint oil on children and the elderly, as they may be more sensitive. Additionally, it's crucial to use the correct chemotype and verify the chemical composition of the oil to ensure it's suitable for your desired application. Lastly, pregnant individuals should avoid using peppermint oil altogether. By following these safety guidelines, you can enjoy the benefits of peppermint oil while ensuring a safe and pleasant experience. For more information on the subject, feel free to visit our website at www.sonera.in. This is Ira signing off from Sonera Essentials. Enjoy your aromatic journey.